Welcome back to another Royal Family meeting. Welcome. If you are new here, it is I, your host, Taquana, aka the Royal Baddie. Okay, y'all, I'm really drained and really tired. But I just wanted to give y'all a few tips on how to make lip gloss. Okay, well, I wanted to give you guys a few tips on like making it easier for yourselves and stuff like that. Okay, first you want to make sure that you have all of your supplies out. You want to make sure that you got your cleaning supplies out, your mixing supplies, you got everything that you about to use, your Versagel ready, everything that you about to use. Before that, you want to make sure that your area is clean. And then you want to make sure that you take out all your pigments, your Versagel, your utensils, your whatever you're going to need to make lip gloss, take that out. And I would say keep napkins and alcohol right next to you, because you're going to be needing that throughout the whole process. Tip number 2, I would say practice to get your portions right. Practice to see how much a little batch, how much oils a small batch needs versus how much oils a big batch needs. Practice smaller batches first. That's important. You want to start off practicing with smaller batches, that way you're not really wasting lip gloss, or you're not wasting Versagel and your oils and your pigments and stuff. So I would say you want to get one of those little things that painters use to mix the paints. I'll show you. So one of these, you want to get one of these. They sell these at Dollar Tree. I have lip gloss in here that I was mixing to see if I like it or not. But you want to get one of these and mix your colors and just see if you like the color before you put the color into your lip gloss base. Those came, they got them at Family Dollar and Dollar Tree. I think I bought a pack of it came in like a pack of 6 from Dollar Tree. So yeah. And what else? Also, you want to practice. So you want to practice it in smaller batches. And what else? Oh, you want to take your time. Take your time when you're making lip glosses. It shouldn't be a rush, you feel me? Like, this stuff is going on people's lips, so you want to make sure that your portions are right in case you're putting like fragrance oil in it. You want to make sure that it's not burning people's lips and stuff. So that's another tip. You want to try on your lip gloss that you're making. You want to always sample it for like a few days or 2, like a week before you put out a new lip gloss, especially if you're adding new ingredients. Another tip would be write everything down, every step you make, or record it so you can watch it back. Write it down or record it so that you can know like how you got to this color versus like trying to do it again and you love this color but you can't achieve this color again because you didn't write it down or you didn't record it, so you don't remember. So definitely write everything down. Every step you make, every little change that you make, write that down or record it. I prefer to write my stuff down. Another tip would be have other people try out your lip gloss. Like if you have siblings, I have little sisters, so I let my little sisters try my lip gloss, and I see, especially when I'm adding fragrance oils, I see like, what do it feel like on your lips, and can you smell the scent, and like, is it enough, is it too much, do you think I should change something, is it too thick, is it too thin, like do you think I should add more color, stuff like that. So you want to let other people try out your product before you go and sell it. So I'm gonna try to see if I have one more tip for you guys. one more tip about how to make lip gloss, or how to make lip gloss making easier for you, is don't overwhelm yourself. Basically, do what you can and you will learn as you go. So you want to do research, but don't try to, like, if you know that you don't know how to make matte lip, if you know that you don't know how to make liquid lipstick, but you know how to make lip gloss, keep making lip gloss while you research how to make liquid lipstick. Like, don't try to like step ahead of yourself. Like, go at your own pace. Basically, that's what I'm saying. Go at your own pace. When you feel like you're ready to like upgrade or add a new product in, then you can do that. But I just want to say, go at your own pace. Don't be trying to, you feel me, do it because you feel like you should have more products or you should have more variety to offer. Stick with what you know, get good at that, and then you can move on to something else. So guys, that is really all the tips that I have for you. I hope you enjoyed this Baddie Business meeting or whatever. I hope these tips helped you. I hope that you learned something, or yeah, I really hope this helped you. Let me know down in the comments if you would like for me to call a specific meeting. What do you want me to talk about? What do you want to see from me? Let me know. And it don't have to just be about lip gloss, okay? Also, if you would like to catch more of the Baddie's vibe, you can follow me on Instagram at RoyalBaddie. If you would like to listen to any of my vibes, I will have it linked in the description, and I will put it up here as a time card. And I will also put a subscribe thing up so you can subscribe to my music YouTube channel. It is The Royal Baddie, where I post my music and stuff like that. So yeah, and then if you would like to check out what goes on behind the scenes of RoyalBaddieCosmetics, you can check out our Instagram page, RoyalBaddieCosmetics. Everything is in the description. And also go check out the website so you can see what type of lip glosses you like. What type of, what do we have something for you? I'm sure we do. So go check out the website, and I'm sure you'll find something that you like. And that's all for this Baddie Business meeting. Until next time, Royal Family, meeting adjourned. Bye.